Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house for sale. It is located on Waltham Drive in Mandeville. The property is situated on approximately 1/3 acre of land with fruit-bearing trees, including ackee, avocado, tangerine, June plum, naseberry, lychee, almond, and breadfruit. The main floor of the residence has 4 beds, 3 baths, including a lovely master ensuite. The grilled porch overlooks the front lawn and a lovely view of the mountains. There are 2 one-bedroom self-contained flats which can be used for income generating. The property is located approximately 10 minutes from the town of Mandeville. Lounge on your porch and enjoy cool Mandeville. Call for an appointment today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $311.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.